Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you're fine. Okay, and today, third standard, we are moving to the unit 2. So, first, we have seen in unit 1 Jumbo of cricket player. In that, we have seen about Anil Kumble and we have seen the back exercise, question answers, everything. Okay, now we are moving to a new topic, a new unit. Okay, it is all birds cannot fly. In that, we have another poem, that is the little duckling. Okay, so all birds cannot fly and the little duckling is unit 2. Moving on to the topic, see here, today's lesson, before all birds cannot fly lesson, we are going to read a pre-activity topic. Okay, a small story. Just listen to me. Okay. A tiger was dozing under a tree. A mosquito came buzzing by. The tiger said, "Hey mosquito, go away." The mosquito said, "Why should I go away? I'm not afraid of you." The tiger was angry. He hit out with his paw. The mosquito flew off. The paw struck on his own cheek. It began to bleed. The mosquito buzzed away. The tiger struck with his other paw. The mosquito flew off. This time too. He hit himself. The tiger was helpless. The mosquito continued to buzz. The tiger got up and quietly walked away. The mosquito called out after him, "Don't be so proud, my friend. Everyone is great in his own way." This is written by Mrinalini Srivastava. Okay, a beautiful story. Yes or no? This is a beautiful story with a small moral in it. Okay? See what the story is telling. Don't be so proud. Everyone is great in his own way. Mosquito, even though mosquito is causing disease like malaria to us, it is also created by God. Yes or no? Tiger is also created by God. Either it is a small creature or a huge and a wild animals, it is made by God. It has its own characteristics. It has its own attitude. It has its own emotions. See, this mosquito is very small, but the tiger wanted to hit the mosquito. But what happened? The tiger itself got hurt by his own paw. So that I'll tell you kids, please don't hurt others. You don't know what situations they are undergoing and how their relationship is with God. You don't know anything. On just seeing the outside, you don't judge them. Okay? So, please don't be so proud. So, everyone, someday or the other, they'll show their greatness. Okay? Everyone is great in his own way. Okay. Let's have the new words. Angry, bleeds, great, hit, proud. Okay, write this hard words 5 times. This is your homework today. Okay, let's continue with the lesson. This is a small story, that is pre-reading activity. They asked us to narrate this story to you because it has some value in it. So that's why I wanted to say the story to you. Tomorrow we'll see all birds cannot fly. Thank you, children.